How to make reposts private on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On TikTok, reposts are not inherently private because they are designed to share content with your followers. However, here are some options that can limit visibility or manage repost settings to maintain some level of privacy. So let's get started. First of all, adjust your TikTok privacy settings. For this, open TikTok. After that is done, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then that is done, access settings by tapping on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. After that, select on settings and privacy. Once you tap on settings and privacy, it will take you to another page from where you have to tap on private account and toggle it on. Make sure that you can only do it if you are switched to personal account. In order to switch to personal account, head over to accounts and tap on switch to personal account if it's available in business account. Now that this is done, set who can see your liked videos to only me. This will prevent others from seeing reposted related interactions as well. After that, another thing that you can do is control the repost notification. In order to do so, head over to push notifications, which is on the main page of settings and privacy. Once you go to the notification sections, turn off notifications for likes, comments, or shares related to a repost. Another thing that you need to keep in mind is reposting a TikTok automatically shares the video with your followers. So if you want to keep a video for personal reference, you can use the save option instead or download the video to your device. Adding it to favorites without reposting is a better option. Likewise, if you want to already delete a reposted thing, in that case, head over to your repost sections. Once you go to the reposted videos, tap on the share icon and unrepost it. This way, the repost will be removed. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.